Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Good evening. Good evening. Ready?
Good evening. Yes, sir.
Now, this preliminary, more or less a real interview, like think.
Yes.
Yeah, good. You forget that you have met me earlier. We have talked so many times that forget about that. Then go ahead. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, very good. You are from which city?
I am from Khamgaon district, Buldana, Maharashtra, sir.
Oh, good. So, what is your family? Please tell us about your family.
Yes, sir. There are 5 members in my family. My brother is working in the Hindustan Unilever Limited. My mother is a homemaker. My father is ex-serviceman from Indian Army.
Oh, good. Your father was in army. Did you ever try to join army?
No, sir. I did, and I have not tried for joining Indian Army.
But you studied mechanical engineering.
Yes, sir.
Why did you choose mechanical engineering?
Yes, sir. Because in the eighth, ninth, we have a subject of the technical subject in our curriculum. So I opted that subject, and it got interested for me to be a mechanical engineer because I wanted to make my career in mechanical engineer, and I tried best for that. But due to some circumstances, I'm turning myself in the banking sector.
Good. Now, what are you doing nowadays? Are you not working or are you employed?
I'm working as a lecturer, CHB, means clock hour basis lecturer in Government Polytechnic Khamgaon.
Mhm. Why do you have to go for clock hour based work? Why could you not get a permanent employment? Were you not
Uh,
getting permanent
No, sir.
employment?
Because for permanent employment as a lecturer in government polytechnic, there is an exam. We have to crack that exam, which is conducted by board MPSC, Maharashtra Public Service Commission Board.
Mm,
For that, I have to crack that exam, and it is not the ad was not there,
mhm,
notification was not there up till now.
mm.
So
That is why you are joined is this. Do you
yes,
enjoy
sir.
teaching children about various aspects? What is it you teach there? Mechanical engineering or what?
No, sir. Information communication technology, first year subject.
First year subject, information communication technology. Good, good, good.
Yes,
So,
yes, sir.
uh, is it practical orientation or
Yes,
theoretical
sir.
orientation?
No, sir. It's only practical orientation. There is
Mm.
no theory exam for that subject.
Acha. Can you please tell me in what way information technology is used in banking?
Yes, sir. Nowadays, we are seeing the bankings are moving towards the technologies like ATMs and cashless transactions, like digital transactions, like ATM, debit card, credit cards, and online banking. So it is the ICT is playing a very major role in the banking sector, sir.
Good. No, but you can also tell about it being used in core banking solution and
Yes,
in connecting of other ATMs
yes, sir.
and also affecting of NEFT, RTGS, etc. They may not be
Clearing checks also.
clearing checks. What is CTS?
Truncation system.
What is check
Truncation.
truncation system?
It is the system where the checks has to be cleared. It is the process of check clearation in which the image of the check is posted to the clearing authority in the form of photo through computers only.
No, actually, the correct wording will be a check truncation system is a system whereby checks are cleared by sending their images only and not the
Yes,
physical checks.
yes, sir.
That is the thing. Good. So, what is the advantage of this check truncation system?
The time for the clearing of the check is reduced due to the CTC.
Super.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So, you are coming to Federal Bank. You
Yes,
are
sir.
staying in Maharashtra. What is the connection between Federal Bank and Maharashtra?
Yes, sir. It's a big connection. The 117 branches are in the Maharashtra, sir.
117. Oh, God.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very nice. That means there must be a regional office or zonal office in Mumbai also.
Yes, it's a zonal office in Mumbai, sir.
Oh, good. Excellent. Excellent. 107. Good number of branches. And I think, what is the total number of employees with our Federal Bank? Any idea?
No, sir, I'm not aware about it.
I think somewhere it is given 15,500 or so. Please
Okay.
check it up. How many
Yes, sir,
branches
I
are
will.
there? How many total branches are there in Federal Bank?
It's more than 102 to 1,200, sir. It's more
Correct.
than 2.
Do they have ATMs
Yes, sir. They have more than 1,600 ATMs all over in India.
all over India? Good. So can you tell me what role the ATMs play in our customer's life? In what way is
Yes,
it
sir.
beneficial for him?
It is very beneficial, sir, because it is a 24/7 service. If anyone wants to take the money or from their deposit account, they can use the ATMs apart from the banking hours.
Good. And also it can be used 24/7 for knowing your balance
Yes, sir.
and all that. I think, yeah, good. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. Now come to Federal Bank. Where is the headquarters of Federal Bank?
It's in Alua, Kochi, Kerala, sir.
Who are the important people connected with the Federal Bank as on date?
I am aware about the MD and CEO. Mr. Sham Srinivasan is the MD and CEO right now.
Very good. Who started this Federal Bank and in which
Uh,
year was it started?
yes, sir. Federal Bank was started in 1931 by late Mr. H.K. Hormis, sir. It
Hmm,
was started by him,
very good.
KP
Excellent.
Hormis.
Yeah. Do you know that Kerala has a prestige of having more than, say, I mean, it has got 4 private banks having headquarters in Kerala. Are you aware of that?
No, sir, sorry. No, sir, I'm not
So
aware.
that means you don't know the names of other 3 banks. One is
No,
Federal
sir.
Bank. Other 3
Yes.
banks are, say, South Indian Bank having headquarters in Thrissur, Catholic Syrian Bank having headquarters in Thrissur. Then another one is
Uh,
Dhanalakshmi Bank.
okay, sir.
That
According to my latest knowledge, sir, the Syrian branch, you said that it is going to be merged in the Federal Bank within some months.
which
There is a
one?
news, sir.
Which
The Syrian bank, you said, na? Some
Oh,
Syrian bank,
Catholic Syrian Bank. Yeah, yeah,
Catholic Syrian. Yes, sir.
yeah.
It is going to be merged in Federal, sir.
Acha,
There is a news in the yes.
very good, very good. That's really nice. You know, Catholic Syrian Bank is also mainly started by a Christians, and this is also a Christian-oriented bank. Very good. That's right.
Yes.
Good. But Federal Bank has got a very good reputation, and their websites and all is very good.
Yes, sir.
Their website is really good. Now, have you gone through their website?
Yes, sir. Somewhat I want to.
Somewhat. Why do you say somewhat? No, you don't use the word somewhat. I have gone through, say, and
Yes.
if they ask you, can you tell me what are the important features you have noticed in our website? What is the point you will tell?
There is a virtual assistant named as Fadi.
Hmm.
Fadi in the websites, and the websites looks like a simple and easy interface for every customer,
Hmm.
according to me. And
This.
the products and the services provided by them are clearly visible to everyone who's
Hmm.
visiting the website.
Mhm. Good. No, but according to me, you said with hesitation. Such hesitation should not be exhibited in a real interview. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
You should say it is really good. It's really good. And you should believe in that and then tell. Good.
Okay.
Now, you completed your degree in the year 2020.
2020.
Only that means you're a young boy. Only 2020.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Excellent. What is your father doing nowadays? Is he employed somewhere else?
No, sir. He's retired. For some 1 to 2 hours, he worked in the Hindustan area as a security guard. After that, he's in home only, sir. Now.
Oh, good, good, good. It's because you said your brother is in Hindustan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Got that. And supposing they ask you, why are you not trying for a job in Hindustan? And you are interested in sales. Then why could you
Yeah.
not do sales for Hindustan Unilever? It's easy to
Sir,
sell their products like surf and other things.
yes, sir. Because there is a policy of the Hindustan Unilever Limited that no two person from same family can work in the same organization.
Arey
So
Baba,
that's
then you should divorce your brother.
No, no, it's not ethical, sir.
It is not possible. I understand. Good, good, good. Very good. It's a good thing. Yeah. Now, what is your sales experience?
I have no sales experience, sir, but some of my friends are working in the Royal Enfield as a salesperson. So that's only I know about sales.
Oh, but you can also add some more points, like say, though I have not had experience, but I have been trying to know more about how to become a successful salesman, something like that.
Yes.
If you tell like that, they will ask you, what are the qualities required for becoming successful salespersons?
Yes. So, yes, sir, the qualities for the successful salesperson is the ability to don't give up. Second, he should be ready to accept the no's from the customer.
Mm.
The thirdly, the perseverance of
Mm.
the salesperson, and
Mm.
lastly, the willingness to do that job, sir.
First of all, you must know the job. You must have the willingness to do the job. Then hardworking, good in time management. All these qualities are required for becoming successful salesperson. Can you tell me the name of successful business people in your state or some other state?
Successful business person right now in my view is the Mukesh Ambani, Jio. They are making their policies start from the IPL sponsorships to retail stores in the every cities.
Mhm.
He is
So
successful in my
Mukesh
view.
Ambani. Mukesh
Yes,
Ambani is one of the successful person. Now,
yes.
are you aware of the name of his brother? What is his name? Some Anil Ambani.
Anil
Correct?
Ambani. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
He has not come out successful. Can you identify the reason that brought failure for this company?
Uh, it may be their individual reasons, sir, but I am not aware about that.
1 minute. Let us find out. Google.com. Anil Ambani failure in business reason. No, I think but real reason may be that the downfall of Anil Ambani, Anil Ambani's telecom, naval infrastructure and power businesses have defaulted in loans. Post-market close, the one of the reasons is they were not able to keep up their words. You can tell simply like this.
What, sir? They are not able to
Keep up their words.
keep up their words.
Yeah. For example, here I am just giving you the link in our Telegram group.
Okay.
It is because you are from Maharashtra, Gujarat people, they can expect this Ambani questions. Why did one Ambani brother go bankrupt when the other becomes Asia's richest man? Like that, there is an article. Of course, there cannot be a definite reason for this, because one reason can be attempting in areas which have not come out successful. What happened? It is a complicated web of lawsuits, failed deals, and companies being mismanaged. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
In a nutshell, there were claims that RCom, Reliance Communication, the one business Anil took control of, could not keep up with the growing telecoms industry. In between, attempts to keep up loans were made and price wars emerged, causing more debt and leading RCom to file bankruptcy. Pundits say when brother Mukesh entered the telecom industry, it was game over. See, actually, the downfall is on account of the RCom, Reliance Com industry, which was initially taken over by Anil Ambani. And you know, when that was taken over, they were having very good policies, very easy policies, like they were giving phone for 500 rupees,
Yes.
small phone.
Jio phone. Yes.
And not Jio. I'm not talking about this Jio. Prior to that also, that old, you might have been a small boy. They were giving phones and all, but one problem they did was their billing system was not good.
Okay.
Their billing system was not good. They were not able to get monies properly, and the demand from Airtel industry was more. Airtel was expanding. They could not meet that competition. With the result, the Reliance Com failed, and also they defaulted in payment. But realizing that Mukesh Ambani entered the film, then that is the total downfall. So, but
Yes,
simply you can say
we
the
were not able
the
to.
Reliance company could not meet the increasing demands of the industry.
Okay, sir.
If they want to tease you, then they can ask what is the increasing demands. Then you can say it is that Airtel and other companies like Aircel was also doing well then. Now it is no longer there. So those companies were doing well. So with the result, they could Anil Ambani could not match up with that, and that is what brought failure for that one. Good. Are you aware of some other famous people in Maharashtra, successful business people in Maharashtra?
Successful business people, sir. In our regions, Mr. Tandal is there. He's a civil engineer making his business in the labor contractor field.
Mhm,
He, according to me, he's a successful businessman here.
mhm. Successful business people. What for Maharashtra is famous?
Maharashtra is famous for the sir Lavani, and it's a dance style of Maharashtra.
Mm,
Then again, the Mumbai is famous for its foods, vada pav.
mm,
And thirdly, it's famous for because it is the it is the region where the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had born.
mm.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
That's right. That's right. Good, good, good. Very good. So now your mother tongue is Marathi. So you are comfortable in selling in Marathi also, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Now let us come to the other questions which they normally ask in interviews.
Okay.
Will you be able to come out of your college once you are selected, or does it require you are giving notice period?
No, sir. It's not there is no need of notice period. I can leave that job immediately.
Mm. Did you write other bank exams?
No, sir, because I'm preparing for 1 year. I just write exam of SBI apprentice, which we held in back 1 month ago, 2 months ago.
Yeah. Tell me the difference between among Federal Bank, HDFC, and ICICI. Or
Yes,
do
sir.
you
In
know
terms,
about them? Do you know about them or not?
I know about them just because just in respect of this program, sir, because the internship program provided by the federal bank is so different as compared to other banks, because income as compared to fees, the other fees are about 3 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs, and here the federal internship program fees is only just 1 lakh, and it is also repayable.
Good. Very good. How will you pick new customers?
Yes, sir. For picking a new customer as a salesman, I can adopt the 2 to 3 methodologies. First of all, I can campaigning. I can campaign at the marketplaces. Then door to door canvassing. There will be, and as I deal with the home loan strategy, home loans or car loan strategies, I can seek for the help from the websites as well as the real estate agents and the other showrooms in the locality.
Good, 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 good. That's right. That is in respect of housing loan, but in respect of supposing you want to increase the number of car loans in your branch, how will you
Yes.
go about increasing the car loan customers?
Increasing the car loan customers, sir. First of all, get help from the nearby showrooms, and secondly, I can contact the nearby offices, IT offices, because most of the IT aspirant IT workers may
No,
have the dreams.
don't call them workers. IT
IT
professional.
professional
Mm.
IT professional has dreams to get their own car. I can approach to them.
Good, good point. You told nicely. So that is in respect of car loan.
Yes, sir.
Supposing you want to increase education loan in your
Yes.
locality, So, as a bank, Federal Bank has to keep up its priority sector commitments.
Yes,
So giving loan for education loan, housing loan, then renewable energy, etc., will come under priority sector. So
yes,
now, how will you increase education loan applications?
yes, sir. I will simply contact to the colleges and the other institutions
Mm. Good,
and try to collaborate with them.
very good, very good, very good, very good. So you are working now in a say polytechnic.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between a polytechnic and an engineering college?
Yes, sir. There is a somewhat difference in the syllabus because the syllabus of the polytechnic is base of the engineering. Here, the only the analytical skills, mathematical and the analytical skills of the person is polished, and in the engineering, they have to use that knowledge in the practical because there is also difference in the practicals oriented teaching in the engineering.
Super. Good. Very good. Very good. Um, what will you do to develop the bank?
Yes, sir. According to me, development of the bank is clearly related to the customer base. So I will try my best to increase the customer base of the bank, just like canvassing the more accounts by door-to-door canvassing or campaigning, and adapting various methodologies in order to increase the customer base of the bank.
Look, you are telling it is based on customer base, but there can be some accounts, only one account, you get a huge amount of business. Will you
Yes,
prefer,
but
will you prefer having uh, less number of big accounts or more number of small amount business accounts? Do you
first of all, I
understand? Yeah. Do you follow
first of all,
what
I
is?
will try.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I will try to find a golden mean. There is an if some more high payment accounts is coming, there is no loss of my bank. I will try my best to get both the loans, and whatever possible, I will assure them.
Now, what are the difficulties or problems faced in having big advance accounts?
Uh,
The problem
sir,
is, the problem is
uh,
if one account goes bad, a huge amount of loss will take place.
is going to, yes, sir.
That's similar to what happened in the case of Kingfisher Airlines, then
Yes,
Nirav Modi case and all that.
Modi, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
one account going bad, that will result in total loss, big amount of loss. Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Can you name the three important banks in India? The failure of them will cause difficulties to our economy.
Yes, sir. First is the State Bank of India. Another is ICICI. Also is a great big bank. There is a term that big to fail something,
Uh,
and
too big to fail.
too big to fail. Yes, sir. ICICI also is too big to fail, and the Central Bank of India is also too big to fail. No.
HDFC.
Okay, sir. HDFC.
Central Bank of India is probably in a very bad state that is
Okay.
going to be given for, say, privatization.
I
I,
think that it is in most of the rural areas. So I think that it is the
no, Indian Overseas Bank and Central Bank are going to be privatized now. And the government share is
yeah.
huge in these things. Now government is going to sell these shares. But of course, Central Bank has got a reputation of having started so many years back in Mumbai. It's a
Yes.
very, very good bank, reputation bank. But totally affected by unions and all that.
Yeah.
Unions were very strong in these places, and that caused problem. Whereas in those days, in 60s, 70s, and all, say your Bank of India was having less union problems because they were having unions associated with some other this thing. Bank of India, Union Bank, they were having less union problems than our Canara Bank was also having less problems than our central bank. And that was probably one of the reasons for its downfall. Of course, downfall of business cannot happen due to staff members. This thing, it is because of the top management, failure at the top management level in taking bad accounts and all that. That's okay.
Yes.
Fine. Now, um, how as an engineer, you will be useful for Federal Bank?
Sir, as an engineer, I have developed my analytical skills. And again, the banks are moving toward the technology. I believe that I will be a good option to cope up with that new technologies, changing new technologies,
Mm.
and the also the pressure handling skills of mine, because I had, as an engineer, I had deal with the 6 subjects in one semester, as like eight semester, so it will be beneficial for the banks also.
Good. Now, whatever you say is okay for this. Only thing is confidence से बात करना है. Retail
Yes,
bank का मतलब क्या है?
retail banking is the banking where the commercial banks deals with the individual customer.
Okay. Now, what is mortgage?
Mortgage is somewhat the immovable properties kept with the, as a securities for the loans.
Very good. Do you know two-wheeler, four-wheeler driving?
Yes, sir. I know.
Both.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great, 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 great. Tell me with now, how good are you in selling?
Yes, sir. Because I consider the selling is just all about convincing the people the benefits, and I think I'm good at the selling, sir.
Mhm. So how can you be so confident about your way of approach? What makes you feel that you will succeed in our bank business selling?
Yes, sir. Because the qualities of the one selling person required, I think I deserve that all qualities, like patience, the ability to don't give up, and perseverance.
Mm. Good. Now, do you read newspapers?
Yes, sir.
Which newspaper do you read?
I read the Marathi newspaper, Dainik Bhaskar, and the employment news, the Dainik Bhaskar only.
Can you tell me something about the latest news you have read in the last 2-3 days?
Just in Maharashtra, the latest news is about the ST buses strikes, state transport buses strikes.
Acha, what is that about?
The state transport wants to be wants the employees of the state transport wants that the what we can say, the state transport should be merged with the government of Maharashtra, and
Hmm.
their the demands are to increase their salaries and all facilities to them, because right now their salaries is not according to them, their salary is not according to the government rules.
Acha, acha. They are getting less.
Yes, sir.
Oh, have you heard of these things? What is Ras Rang and Madhurima? What are they?
No, sir. Sorry, I'm not aware.
Ras Rang is also a newspaper, it seems. Madhurima is also a newspaper. I see it under epaper.bhaskar.com.
Dainik
Ind,
Bhaskar.
yeah. Maybe not related to your area, maybe Madhya Pradesh and other things. Yeah.
Yes.
What is the famous newspaper in your place?
Lokmat, Deshonati, Dainik Bhaskar.
Lokmat.
Yes, sir.
I'm just seeing Lokmat. Lokmat.com, e-paper, Aurangabad. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Latest Marathi news. Oh, everything comes only in Hindi or Marathi. English
Yeah.
translation होगा?
No idea, sir.
No idea. इसका ऊपर में English home latest Marathi news. Good, doesn't matter. Times of India is also famous in your place, na?
Yes, sir.
Timesofindia.com.
Times of India, Hindu.
Hindu is also selling well in your place.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is I like to write poems and stories.
Oh, you like writing poems and stories.
Yes, sir.
Which type of stories do you write?
It depends. It is the character like stories. I first of all I will see any character and try to make some story according to that character and write them.
Very good.
Like
Now,
journey of that character, sir.
now, what is the news about Omicron? What is Omicron?
Omicron is a new variant of the COVID coronavirus. It's like seems to be third wave of the corona.
Mhm. So, what is your view regarding this? Will it come to our country or not?
Uh, it may come, sir, but nowadays it is not like threatening like the second wave, because the government is trying its best, but there is no need to be get hamper due to this news. But right now, because it is not up to that mark, sir, to get the third wave.
Omicron is not fatal.
Yes,
Omicron is not fatal, and I wish we may be able to get over this.
yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the news about Ram Temple in Ayodhya?
Right now, sir.
What is the current news about it? You don't know.
I'm not aware about the current news, sir, from there. Just
Doesn't
I know that it is
doesn't
going
matter.
to be built.
Yeah. Which game are you interested in?
I'm interested in cricket, sir. I was the captain of my cricket team during engineering and diploma.
Really? Good. Acha, you said engineering and diploma. Does it mean
Yes,
you studied diploma first, then engineering?
yes, sir. I did my diploma in mechanical engineering and then BTech in degree.
Really? Oh, good.
Yes,
That means you studied for 6 years after 10th class.
yes, sir.
Good. That very good. That is why you have a soft corner for polytechnic.
Yes, sir.
Maybe. Are you teaching in the same polytechnic where you studied? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, Baba, how correctly it
But
comes.
but the tech interview of mine, there is no relation advantage for me.
So they were able to recognize because you must have scored good marks while
Yes,
studying
sir.
in.
Yes, sir. I was the topper of my college.
That is the reason. Good. Now, last question for you.
Yes, sir.
You want to create huge targets achieved in housing loans.
Okay.
Your zonal manager has called you and given you a big figure. He says you must get 10 home loan accounts within the next 1 month.
Okay, sir.
How will you go about achieving this? And he also says 10 loan accounts and the total amount lent should be at least 10 crore.
Okay.
So how will you go about canvassing new accounts for this home loan
Uh,
projects?
for such big targets, sir, I will try my best. I will start from the websites like real estate agents working on the websites. I will try to get help from that website's owner, if it is possible. And secondly, I will reach to each and every office, government office it may be, or a private office, and try to publish our notifications to there. And thirdly, I will try to get some loan customer from our my own social media websites, and again my own family and friends.
Hmm. Good. Now, supposing people say that home loan interest you are charging is more,
Yeah.
how will you tackle this situation?
Yes, sir. I will divert their mind in any other services like
Correct.
I like the yes I'm aware that our rate of interest is somewhat high, but at the same time we are providing the your assistance, because the time of clearing this loan accounts will be very less, and you don't need to worry about the remittance of that loan, because it will auto debit facilities will be there, and etc.
Good. Say, you don't use the word divert. I will overcome that objection or overcome that remark by telling like this. Okay,
Okay.
that is how. Otherwise, very good. You have answered all the questions nicely.
Thank
Best
you, sir.
wishes. Do you have any doubts? Any questions in your mind? I think you are one among the few candidates who have attended a good number of sessions and
Yes.
try to participate also, not only attending, participate also. That way, it is really good. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Go with a lot of hopes. Today is Saturday, tomorrow Sunday. Relax, read whatever comes to your mind. Go on Monday, attend the interview and submit the report. Tomorrow,
Yes.
should we assemble again or not required? No? Not needed.
Uh, yes, we
You-
can, sir. No
We can,
problem.
right. Then tomorrow, probably around 8 o'clock. in the night.
Okay.
We'll have a Zoom meet for people who are willing to come. Let them come.
Okay.
Amen. Very good. Best wishes. You are done well.
Thank
You are done
you.
well. I will give you 9 out of 10.
Okay, great.
Normally, I don't want to give 10. Some people give 10 out of 10, but I'm giving you 9 out of 10. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, this is being recorded and it will be posted in our YouTube as usual.
Okay.
No problem.
No problems.
Thank you.